Over the past few weeks, we've explored the evolving role of wearable technologies and the cybersecurity implications of their use. But now it's time to address a crucial phase in the wearable lifecycle that's often underestimated: how to securely decommission a device when you're done using it. Now, whether you're replacing, reselling, gifting, or recycling a wearable, the data retention risks don't vanish with the power down. These devices will maintain persistent connections to your digital footprint, storing everything from location metadata and biometric health information to corporate emails, calendar entries, payment credentials, and even multi-factor authentication tokens. Let's consider a practical example. Suppose you sell your used smartwatch. If you haven't thoroughly wiped and delinked it, the next owner could potentially access data that's personally identifiable, or worse, tied to your workplace systems. Let's cover some steps for secure device retirement. Account delinking. Begin by logging into all associated apps or cloud services and explicitly remove the device from your account. Cloud data purging. Don't rely solely on local resets. Visit the cloud dashboard for any service your device was linked to and manually delete stored data, such as backups, activity logs, and health records. SIM/eSIM deactivation. If your wearable includes a cellular component, work with your carrier to deactivate or transfer the SIM or eSIM profile. These can remain active and exploitable post-transfer. Financial unlinking. Remove any stored payment methods or connected app subscriptions. After completing all the above, initiate a factory reset. Then briefly reconnect the device to verify that all personal data has been purged successfully. Our final tip is to work with your IT provider. If your wearable was ever used to access company systems, such as email, cloud storage, or messaging apps, be sure to notify your IT team before you retire the device. They can help ensure all organizational access is revoked, check for potential account risks, and assist with your secure data removal.